We all use agents to get things done and move faster. But every time when I switch agents, I don't want to start from scratch. What if the context I give to one agent, it will follow me to another? How much time will that save? So today, I will share with you how I use Digital Me to save my time and keep the AI works compounding. First, I open Claude Code. Ask it to implement a hero video for my website. You can see Digital Me quietly apply all those knowledge and taste upfront. And then I switch to Codex. Say, I want to capture a learning that future agents to remember that or that in my Digital Me. So let's see how it goes. Okay, capture learning with tracing. This tracing is super important since it will capture in the dashboard later I will show with you. But now the learning has captured. At the end of the day, we open Digital Me dashboard and it will show everything here. Everything is visible for me. How many agent is active, how many sessions, how many learnings they're captured, knowledge, taste distilled, and also how each agent applied those knowledge in the past. And also it captured all the mechanisms, the workflows under the hook, and also which agent capture what kind of learning. See, we just capture this learning, explain, and it already show in the feed, real time. And Claude Code capture another learning, and when they applied, and at night they distilled all those, taste for me, and those are workflows that work on automatically. Okay, now let me show you how to install it. Before we install Digital Me, there is one prerequisite, OpenClaw, because Digital Me runs on top of it. It's part of the ecosystem. So we will set up the OpenClaw first. I will put the OpenClaw GitHub. You just follow the steps. It will work. And with OpenClaw in one place, Digital Me has 2 steps to plus a final check. Since this is our first time run, so we might not have any context yet. We just look at the Digital Me marker. If that's showing up, that means the whole hookup is working. So we just type test the Digital. Since I already built in, so you might see the Digital Me already showing up. See, Digital Me, no application. As long as you see this, it means hookup success. Capture the learning that every time you explain to me something. Okay, so now you see it already captured. Since you are working different agents everywhere and multiple agents, multiple sessions, you want to see what happens today. You just simply to open the dashboard. I just already opened, but you could see open the dashboard. Today, we already have the 3 active agents, Claude Code, OpenClaw Codex, captured all those learnings. And meanwhile, this is have a nightly dream cycle. So it will distill every conversation across your agents and distill the taste for you and embed it into your next round. That's it. You got Digital Me installed, wired it into your agents. And what the single lesson was transferred from one to another and capture the lesson as well. Dashboard showing everything. But since this is the first time you run, you probably see some empty. But as you use agents later on, the Digital Me will fill that data in and show everything like I just shared with you. From there, you just compound. You teach one agent and every other agent will follow. It's open source under MIT. Link is in description. If you want a bigger picture, feel free to check out our launch film. Feel free to comment if you have any questions or suggestions, or even if you want to contribute. It's fully open source. Feel free to. Alright, thank you so much for watching. This saves tons of time and literally I couldn't live without it. So hopefully this could give you some inspiration as well. Alright, see you next time. Bye.